Good day everyone, I am GLRLC Kahes from G2F-1 and I'm here to discuss the topic about the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. What is the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship? The basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship typically involves a few key terms that describe the ship's behavior when it is tilted from an upright position. These terms help assess how the ship will respond to tilting and how stable it is, the initial stages of heeling or rolling motion. The basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms. First is GM. The metacentric height, which is the distance between the center of gravity and the metacenter. Next is kg. The height of the center of gravity from the keel. Next is km. The height of metacenter from the keel. Next is kb. The height of the center of buoyancy from the keel. Next is GZ. The righting lever, which is the horizontal distance between the forces, weight, and volume. Next is metacenter. The point where the vertical line through the center of buoyancy intersects with vertical line through the center of gravity when the ship is tilted. The metacenter determines the stability of the ship. Next is gravity or center of gravity. The point where the weight of the ship is considered to act vertically downward. A lower center of gravity typically contributes a greater stability. Next is center of buoyancy. The center of mass of the submerged part of the hull, where the buoyant force acts vertically upward. Explanation. The metacentric height, or GM, is a measure of a ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better initial stability. Initial stability. Initial stability is the resistance of a ship to small changes in difference between the vertical forces applied on its two sides. Stability of a ship. The stability of a ship is its tendency to return to its original upright state when an external forces is applied or removed. Factors affecting stability. The shape of the hull, the drop, and the trim all affect the stability of a ship. And that's all. Thank you.